PB Restore now replaces our former PB Assist. This is in the double encapsulated pill that is designed to bypass the stomach environment and get to the gut where they need to deliver these colony forming units, the live microbes. So we now have 4 times as many microbial strains in the PB Restore than we used to have. So a very robust product. It has the prebiotic fiber, and now it has postbiotic nutrients. What that does is help feed the other strains of good bacteria in your gut and can influence mood, stress, anxiety levels. And it also now has 4 different bacteriophages, which help break down pathogens. So what's this going to do? It's going to aid digestive discomfort. So basically making you have smooth digestion. It's going to help with micronutrient synthesis. So it works with Terrazyme to help break down your food. It's going to help your gut barrier integrity. That's a nice way of saying it's going to improve those tight junctions in your gut to make sure they're not open and leaky. You've probably heard of leaky gut. That's not a good thing. It's going to improve metabolism because these microbes help your energy in your body at the cellular level. It'll support skin, respiratory and immune systems, healthy inflammatory response, helps with brain health, cardiovascular health, urological health, and a healthy DNA response to oxidative stress. So that's the one in the bottle, the glass bottle of pills. The sachets we used to think of as the one for children. I personally take the sachet in the morning and the capsule with dinner. You want to take these with food because the movement in your digestive system helps move them along very quickly. And you don't want to take them with hot drinks or hot food because that can damage the protective coating that we want to keep to get them to the digestive tract. Now the sachets, the bacterial strains in the sachets do not overlap with the pills. So you can take both and just get an even more expanded diversity of probiotics. So I'm super excited about these products.
Thanks.